Well, welcome to another edition of me opening up some wax packs. Got a new one here from the shop in Orlando this time. Um, I don't remember what the shop is called. This is the one I usually go to before the one in Sebastian opened up. But um, I was in town and decided to stop by. They just got this new shipment in of Absolute Memorabilia by Panini. It's the 2017-2018, listed for 140, but I think you can get it cheaper online. He gave it to me for 120. Been a customer there for a while. So this is the Absolute Memorabilia. Came out about a week ago. They don't really have a lot of videos of box breaks on this. For being expensive wax pack, you only get 3 cards per pack, and there's only 2 packs per packs per the whole box. But you do get 2 autographs and 2 memorabilia cards on average. It says also look for ultra rare glass insert. Find 1 slabbed veteran uncirculated and 1 slabbed rookie uncirculated card. I just saw somebody upload a video of this. They got a Markel Fultz. It was like the 3rd card they got. And I've been looking for a memorabilia card. He got a triple threat. I was really jealous of that. So we're hoping for a Markel Fultz or a Ben Simmons. Obviously, I'm a Philly fan, so I collect them. So here's the 2 boxes. Oops. You got Lonzo Ball on one, you got Dennis Smith Jr. on the other one. I don't like Lonzo Ball. We'll do him first. Get our trusty Batarang. Sorry, Lonzo. I'm filming from my brother's house. My parents are here visiting in Florida, so spending time with them at my brother's house right now. Alright. 3 cards. First card up. Well, it's in a package. Let me pop that open off camera. Don't want to ruin the surprise. If anybody's interested in the cards we unwrapped today, please contact me. Might give you a good price. First card up, memorabilia card patch of CJ McCollum, Portland Trail Blazer. Numbered card 6 of 99. See the back of that. Not a bad looking card. Honestly, I like the Spectra better. Panini Spectra was really cool. Second card up. It's auto rookie Jordan Bell. On card auto right here. Numbered 5 of 99. It's a nice low number. I don't know where he was drafted, what round, what spot. Have to look that up. Boom. It's got some nice refractory to it. Yep. Oh yeah. And the uncirculated card is a Kyrie Irving in glass. Cool. Kyrie Irving on the Celtics. Wish it was autoed, but that's okay. Number 1 Number one, number one. Now our fun has just begun. On to box 2. Come on, Ben Simmons. Oh, great. I already can tell we got 2 Boston Celtics in one pack. Rivals of the Sixers. And another Portland Trailblazer. Alright, Tools of the Trade. Sticker auto of Caleb Swanigan. The other guy got a Markelle Fultz on YouTube. We get a Caleb Swanigan. Number 10 of 99. I know there's some Portland fans out there. Hit me up. Next is Jaylen Brown, Boston Celtics, 96 of 199. No refractory here. Just a Boston Celtic card. Man, I paid too much for this pack. Semi Ojeleye, forward for the Celtics. Rookie card. Not signed, not numbered. Okay. That's it. I don't believe that. 2 freaking Celtics. Okay. Actually, 3 Celtics. And 2 Trailblazers. There's some variety right there. Good job, Panini. Alright, I'm disappointed. Not going to get that again. Stay tuned for more box breaks. We'll see what we get next time. Upload it. Share it with y'all. Have a good New Year's.